Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Space Chick Crypto. My name is Elizabeth Howard, and today I know you guys saw the report. I know you saw it all over the news about we are not in a recession. Well, I don't know. I kind of beg to differ. It depends on the definition of recession. Did they redefine it? Did they redefine the word recession? I don't know, but I saw this clip this morning. I have to share it with you guys. Check this out. My favorite clip of the day. Definitely. This has to be awful to be put on the spot like this. That's all I have to say. You know she didn't want to be up here. She did not want to be up here talking about any of this. She said, why? I didn't even want to come to work today.
If things are going so great, though, then why is it the White House officials are trying to redefine recession?
No, we're not redefining recession.
If we all understand a recession to be 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP growth in a row, and then you have White House officials come up here to say, no, that's not what a recession is. It's something else. How is that not redefining recession?
Because that's not the definition.
Ooh.
That is not the definition.
Right.
She's like, hold on. Let me open my book. Let me go to my dictionary.
He said in 2008, of course, economists have a technical definition, which is of a recession, which is 2 consecutive quarters of negative growth.
I can tell you this.
Yesterday he said 2 negative quarters of GDP growth is not the technical definition of a recession.
It is not. It is not.
Why did he say that?
It is not. I can speak to what he said yesterday in front of all of you, which is the last thing that you just repeated. There are many factors. Economic factors and indicators to consider. And I will say that the textbook definition of recession is not 2 negative quarters of GDP. We have a strong labor market. We have business.
Is it though? I mean, I heard the definition of a recession is 2 bad consecutive reports. That's what I know it as, but I mean, what do I know? So this is from Watcher.
If things are going so great, though, then why is it?
Oh, shoot. Yeah. So if you guys want to know, go to Watcher Guru. I'm going to show y'all the sources that I use. It's always really good to follow. What is up, Crypto Surfer? How are you doing? Did you see the news this morning? Did you see what I just showed? Oh my goodness. You know that lady did not want to be up there. She was like, why? All right, so let's go I'm going to pull up what is going on right here with Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's what we're going to look up. What's going on with that? And it seems like the market's doing okay right now. People are just tired, I think, of everything going bad. So they're going to take advantage of it and run with it today. Now, I think that we're in for some pain in a couple months. I do. We're not going to have another report come out till September, I believe. And that might show that the interest rates that went up might hurt us in the end. Now, look at Bitcoin. I said yesterday, if we get over 22.5, we're going to get at 23. Once we hit 23, we're going to go up. Depending on what happened today. And today we did good. But did we really do good? All right. But yeah, crypto up over 1 trillion again. No recession here. She couldn't even spit it out. I know. She couldn't. She's like, no. Did you see her notebook full of notes? She's like, I need all the notes I can get. They just put her up there. That was awful. You know she didn't want to go out there. You know, right before she was like, are you serious? You know she was praying too. You know she prayed. All right, so we got Bitcoin at almost 24,000, Ethereum at 17.4. Now, if you watch Bleaves Crypto, he is super, super smart. I'm telling you, this guy does not have 1 million subscribers yet, but his technical analysis is always right. It's a joke that he says, well, I don't know if he probably believes it, because he's always right. But if you go check out his channel, I'm going to share right now his technical analysis of Ethereum, like a few months ago, was it was Ethereum at 736, and I'm okay with that. I love Ethereum. It can go down all at once, but yeah, that lady right there, she did not want to be in the limelight. She did not. She couldn't even spit it out. You are correct. All right, so Believes right here. Go check out his channel. I'm trying to put money in your pocket, that crypto wallet. And for some reason, I don't know why, but YouTube had I was subbed to Believes, and then whenever I checked right now, it said that I wasn't. So something weird's happening, and my Twitter too. I'm having to refollow some people that I know that I was following. So yeah, Believes, he is always on point. Now, when I first started watching Believes, I think he was like at 10K subscribers. Now I think he's over 17, rightfully so, because this guy is always on point. His technical analysis is great. I learned technical analysis whenever I was doing stocks. And I learned a lot from, I forgot the guy's name. He was a redhead with the goatee and the beard and mustache, and glasses, that guy. And Matt Kors can go off on a chart. He can read a chart like the back of his hand. But the stock market and what's going on with that does play a part in crypto. You do need to pay attention to both, in my opinion. You shouldn't just pay attention to what's going on in crypto and meme coins, because then you're just not gonna do very well if you do that. But Believes, his technical analysis is always on point. This dude, I watch BitBoy. I have watched BitBoy for a while. I've watched Meet Kevin. I've watched a lot of different guys and females, and it's just, this dude is on point. So go give Believes a follow. He explains it so simply too, that if you're trying to figure out how to read charts, even, you'll be able to catch on, pause it, write down a word you don't know, go look it up, and come right back to watching whatever he's doing. All right, so let's see. All right, what other news? I have this new Benzinga app. Hold on. It's so cool. I want to show y'all. It's like, heck yes. All right, I got to share screen. Oh, and then BitBoy, the technical analysis that he has on there, he has one that goes online, like goes on every single day. I was trying to scroll to the part where he was on, but I couldn't find it. It was a different guy. But so here we go. Isn't this cool? It's a whole hub. And it talks about like what's going on. Now, Bored Ape Yacht Club. Yeah, that. I don't follow them. But yeah, they have some NFT art going on, and that's going to be at the MTV Music Awards. Like, it's in a music video. I thought that was really interesting. I saw that last night. But this is all the news. If you guys want to go check it out, you just go to Benzinga, and then this is a trial that I'm doing, but I'm really enjoying it. I think it's really cool. But you always want to check out your sources. Frankie Candles. Yes, Frankie Candles. Yes, you watch, you know. All right. Yeah, so this right here, Ethereum Classic skyrockets. Here we go. Ethereum at 1747, where 3 million was just burned. Wow. So that's what's going on right there. It was burned from Ethereum transactions. Burning is when a coin or token is sent to an unusable wallet to remove it from circulation. Now, there's other tokens that are coming out recently, like Pyro is one of them that I heard about. They are doing what is called a true burn, And that's whenever at launch, they burn that percentage and it's like wiped out. It's not sent to a wallet, nothing. They're gone. They're erased from history. So yeah. But yeah, go give this a check. Like, check this out. I just downloaded it to my computer and I was able to go from there. So that's what happened with Ethereum. All right. There we go. And you have different filters too. I just put in government or crypto. Anonymous crypto wallet moves 47 million worth of Bitcoin onto Coinbase. What happened? So this was at 12:14 p.m. today. So, it's 11:11. Make a wish. Why it matters. Cryptocurrency transfers from wallets to exchanges is typically a bearish signal. Most high net worth cryptocurrency traders hold their funds on a hardware wallet. Yeah. As these devices offer better security than cryptocurrency exchanges, hardware wallets store investors' private keys offline. I mean, that's what you should be doing. An anonymous cryptocurrency wallet, holding, it's actually over $47 million of Bitcoin was just transferred their funds onto Coinbase. So you guys know Coinbase is in trouble. Oh my goodness. I remember last year, whenever it was at $400, they started at $400. It dropped down to $333. That's when I bought in. I can't believe I did that. I was listening to Adam Schultz, YouTuber. He's super cool. He's a really smart guy, but I was listening to him. He even got burned. He even was like, forget this. He was like, man, I definitely was wrong. That's what I'm saying. Not everybody is correct on YouTube. They can have 1 million subscribers, and you never know. Like, they even tell you, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know. It could be either way. BitBoy said Bitcoin was going to be at 100,000 last year, and it wasn't. Now you go on to somebody like Bleaves, and he really can do technical analysis. December DeMarco, technical analysis. Matt Kors, he can do technical analysis. Those are the guys you need to watch because they know exactly what they're talking about. I can stand. Yes, there's a lot of rude. Yeah, there's a lot of rude commenters. I do try to put them in timeout. I try not to talk about anything I don't know something about. That's for sure. I'll try to help. I don't know everything. That's definite, but yeah. Yep. And that's what we're trying to do right now, right? The government said it's okay, but hold on to your jobs. That's all I gotta say. Just hold on to your job. Hold on to it. All right. So what else do we have here? This is like really, really interesting in my opinion. I like that they come through in real time. Meta took a hit, I know, earlier this morning. Oh, Cosmos. I love Cosmos. Let me see. The Atomic DEX itself, I don't know Atomic DEX itself is like a DEX core, basically like a DeFi engine, which has multiple purposes and functionalities, right? Everything we build is 100% decentralized and blockchain based. All right, so what is this? Atomic DEX has been in the development since 2013. That's a long time ago. How do I not know about that? That's a very long time ago. What are you talking about? Oh, okay, Cosmos. I love Cosmos. Is that what they're calling it? Did I miss that memo? I guess so. We have a full Cosmos integration going on. With the Cosmos support, we are targeting the coming quarter. Okay. I like this Ethereum at 17. I'm not even going to lie. But I do think that it is going to go down. I think we're going to see another $4,000 Ethereum in the fall, if not soon. But I think everyone's going to take this good news because we've all been eating it. Every meme, all the tokens, we've been eating it. Hey, what's up, Countess Crypto? This is Benzinga. So what I did was I got a free trial. So I'm checking it out. All I had to do was put in my name and I think it was my email address. It didn't ask me for any billing information or anything like that. So that's what I like. I like Meet Kevin. If you guys don't know who Meet Kevin is, he kind of sold out a little bit, but that dude's super smart. Young and was into real estate and became a millionaire, big into Tesla. But yeah, check out Meet Kevin. He's always on this, and that's actually where I learned about this from. Alpha Male, hey. Gotta stop by and show my fam some love. Yes, we love you, Alpha Male. Go check out Alpha Male. Click on his avatar right there. Go follow his channel, Countess Crypto 101. Also, go follow her channel. But yeah, so what else do we have going on here? Okay, so that guy who lost all that money in Bitcoin, he lost, one report says 7,000 Bitcoins. The other report says 8,000 Bitcoins, right? Either way, it's a lot of Bitcoin. And it equals up to $176 million, give or take, right? But he is renting robo-dogs, $75,000 for a pair of robo-dogs to go in that landfill that he lost this ledger in 2013, and he's going to find it. You know, he was out there like shoveling. I'd be out there. House of Clowns tonight. Oh my goodness, House of Clowns. I'm trying to get them in the space cabin. House of Clowns, super cool. You got to go check out his channel. And the Degen and Blockheads, go to Alpha Male. You know what? I forgot about that. He is having House of Clown giveaways, right? You're having some giveaways, NFT giveaways. I know you guys have seen them all over Twitter. They are creepy, cool. I even like them. I'm not into creepy stuff, but I like them for sure. All right. What is up, Dogalon Master? Hi, hun. It's good to see a friendly face. How are you doing? Yes. Put the link in there. Alpha Male. Go ahead and drop it in the chat and I'll pin it. Yeah, Space Cabin vibes. We are back, but what I'm going to try to do is definitely go over the crypto news. You know why? Because Volt, 1,000%, right? But we have to know what else is going on. I want to show y'all sources that I use because I do a lot of researching, and these are the places I go. Now, let me show you some of the websites that I also check out because those are important. And you always need to consider your source. I'm always making sure that I'm considering my sources because that is extra important. Extra. Oh, yeah. So this dude's technical analysis on BitBoy. Let's see what he says. Well, these are my sources right here. Let me show y'all. I said sometimes I do that. Y'all got to keep me on track. I have it's easier for me to pull it up in Internet Explorer also. Don't make fun of me for using that. I have to use two different browsers. So I look up CoinMarketCap. I tried not to for the longest, but no, you need to look up CoinMarketCap. And then you have Cointelegraph. Check them out. Then I look up Benzinga. Always. This is the Wall Street of crypto, in my opinion. And that's where Pablo Crow and Power Right, they went and did an interview with them a couple months ago about Vault. Then I look up Crypto News. Pretty simple, right? Latest news. This was just like 49 minutes ago. And then always, you got to look at Microsoft Bing. They also have stuff that's up to date. But my favorite right now is definitely this Benzinga. It is so cool. Did y'all see that? I hope y'all saw that. Yeah, y'all saw it. Okay, so let's see what else is on this Benzinga. I think that it has some really good news on here today. So let's see what else is going on. Y'all like this? This is a really cool app. Y'all got to go check it out. You can download it to your desktop. And you get notifications, or you can turn off your notifications too. And then we'll look at that guy's technical analysis. But I want to see if there's anything right now. But yeah, you can always go in here. You can take these off, but you go into news, and then you can put different, make sure, because you're going to get news from like a small town in Texas, some guy selling like 500,000, I don't know, V-chain or something. Like you'll get stuff like that. You have to slim it down on your filters. All right, let's see. This anonymous person, another one. So people are definitely moving money into Coinbase. There's 75 million. We saw 47 million going into Coinbase. Okay, Ethereum whale is moving 39,000, almost 40,000 Ethereum off of Gemini. Where are you putting that? Where are you putting that? Who are these whales? So there's a lot of money going into Coinbase right now. A lot. What's going on with Coinbase? Who's helping out Coinbase? Who are the angel whales here? They're anonymous wallets, but I guarantee you that's going to come out. There's going to be some news coming out about that soon. Someone's going to track it down on the Etherscan. Who's moving it? The Sandstorm is actually, he's really good at detective work like that too. All right, let's go back up. So these right here, they're in red because they're high priority, and we talked about that. There's ShibaDex, also Ethereum's communication layer, EPNS interview with co-founder. Okay, we're gonna skip over that. That's not too interesting to me, in my opinion. All right, now let's go check out this guy's technical analysis. Y'all go give him a follow also. But yeah, I found him on BitBoy. Don't hate. Don't hate. You got to see what everybody's talking about. You do. You really do. You got to see what everybody's talking about. Because if you don't, you're just going to be lost. You got to stay open-minded what's going on in the market. All right, now I'm going to enlarge this, and I'm going to turn the volume up, and let's see what this guy has to say.
Is not as respective of the 200-week moving averages in the past. So there's nothing written in stone saying that, hey, this has to obey this, because there's never been a time where it has. But what was interesting was how it did. So that's really the only observation you can make from it. It did, and that also coincided with the top that was back there in 2018, which is also interesting about Bitcoin, because right now, Ben, I've come on this show, and we've had kind of back and forth dialogues on this. I'm just, theorizing, how the market behaved in the past in regards to when was the most exciting.
This is Bitcoin, by the way.
Each time, it's when the parabolic top comes in. That's the euphoria phase of the market. And we know the euphoria phase of the market was right back here, back in, March, April, and May of 2021. And that, this is Laser Eyes, Diamond Hands, Elon Musk on Saturday Night Live, all that good stuff. And, whether you want to theorize, the false top three or however you want to do it or whatnot, what's been very interesting is the behavior of the market as it's moved back down in here. But we're not going to go too deep into that. It's just kind of pointing out that, hey, look, the whole structure of how this fall has happened has been typical of what happens in late stages of bear markets and as endings are coming in. And that the location that it came back to for Bitcoin's market cap here was a perfect back test of its all-time high. While Bitcoin, the price, did dip down below the all-time high, the market cap actually pinpoint nailed the previous all-time high. And what's also interesting about that is that if we look at retracement levels, so if we go back and we look at the entire run that happened for Bitcoin from the C19 sell-off that happened back in there all the way to our top, where have we pulled back to? We pulled back to the last retracement level. So we're technically still within an actual retracement in here, while also having the confluence of back testing the 2017 all-time high for Bitcoin. So will this be the bottom? Technically, Ben, technically at this exact moment in time, you could say this is nothing more than, hey, this was our big resistance back in 2017. We broke out of it and we back tested it. That doesn't go along with
really
4-year cycle.
That's
Yeah,
the market
it
cap,
doesn't-
correct? That's what you're looking at, the market.
Correct. And what
That's
was
very
interesting about the market cap is that this was what I was using to say the top of Bitcoin's in, because it was the Bitcoin market cap that reached the full 4.236 extension and not the actual price chart. So the market cap has been more respective rather than the actual real price chart. Because, as time passes, supply increases, there's more market, more value in the market. And I know a lot of people sit there and say, market cap doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It sure does, man.
All right, so yes, definitely another technical analysis you want to check out. You want to do your own research and you want to check out sources. Like I said earlier, there's a few people that I follow that are always correct. They don't have 1 million followers, but I guarantee you they're really good. All right, so let's see what else we have going on. I'm going to check this Bazinga app out. All right, what else can we find on here? There we go. I have to make sure I'm on here. All right. Whenever the market goes up, I can get another monitor. VeChain. Oh my goodness. I used to love VeChain. I feel like there's a lot better technology out now. But VeChain started it all. I love VeChain. VeChain is like their utility token is VeThor. That's the gas token of it. But VeChain, it pretty much tracks every bolt, every screw onto an auto part. For example, an auto part is what I used in like my first video of VeChain, all the way to the car that it's put in. And you can see that every part of that, automobile, BMW, is exactly from BMW. There's there's nobody copying and trying to give you any knockoffs. So yeah, over the past 24 hours, VeChain's price has risen 12.5% to 3 cents. This continues, wow. That's really, like, VeChain, it did good in the past. VeChain, I think, even went up to 10 cents at one time, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, VeChain is definitely a technology that is really cool. I feel like there's other technology out there now that's copied VeChain and has done a little bit better job than VeChain, but they are definitely the ones in charge of all that cool technology, pretty much from farm to table technology. Let me see. What else do we have? We had something that just came in. Okay. Decentraland price has risen 11.49% to 99 cents. This continues its positive trend over the past week, where it has experienced a 5% gain, moving from 93 cents to its current price as it stands right now. The coin's all-time high is $5.85. Now, that was really high whenever it went up. It went up so crazy. That's when Sandbox went up. There was a big craze. And the people who sold, good for them. I honestly thought it was going to keep going up. Honestly, did not think it was going to drop this low. I did not. But I think that's just because I love the metaverse so much. All right, Sandbox is up 12%. So we have a trend going on. Metaverse games are getting popular. They're getting popular. And the one that I want to play that I have not played on the Oculus is Resident Evil 4. And I'm a huge Resident Evil fan. That's my game of choice. Let me see. Do you hear that dog, y'all? 1 second. Like, do y'all hear that dog? This dog, like, when his owner leaves, he starts barking so loud. So I just was wondering if y'all could hear it. It drives me crazy sometimes. I feel bad for it. I think it's okay. I met the guy before. He was really nice. But I don't know. All right, let's see what else is going on here. I want to look at Watcher Guru. Let's look at what else is going on here. This is a source you need to check out. Definitely go follow news, whether you like them or not. You need to see everything that's going on. So definitely follow this page. So this was 47 minutes ago, a $24,000 Bitcoin. All right, everybody's very bullish right now. Everyone's taking advantage of the fact that the government said hours ago we're not in a recession. Now, is it gonna reverse? Are we gonna have something major come out by tonight that everyone's gonna say, wait a second, y'all were wrong? What's going on? This lady could not even spit it out a little bit ago. Look, she did not want to be at work. Look at that. Oh, I feel bad for her regardless of, whatever views she has. I just feel bad. All right. White House press secretary. Yep. So she's the one, she denies claims that the U.S. is in a recession, says we are in a transition. All right. I kind of feel like they redefined recession. I really do. I think that's what they did. What is up? Kung Fu style in crypto? You got clowns. Yeah, y'all go check out Alpha Male. Click on his avatar right there. He's having a show tonight of House of Clowns. He's giving away free NFTs. It's going to be really good. It's really cool. It's those creepy NFTs that you see. They're circling around the Twitter space. They're super cool and creepy. Yeah, he's got some of those to give away. And he gives away good stuff. Go subscribe to him for sure. Kung Fu. Yeah. All right, I got you. I learned how to do all that with stocks, but it still transitioned over to crypto. So thank goodness for that. I forgot the guy's name that I learned all this from. Like, I downloaded his free book and everything, like how to read technical analysis and that. Like, I went crazy. I was reading everything I could on it. I forgot the guy's name. But anyway. All right, what else did I put up? Oh, there was something I wanted to talk to y'all about. Speaking of NFTs, and we're going to get to this. Speaking of NFTs, check this out. I got an email. Well, maybe it's on here. From Vivi. You're going to have to get KYC'd now. Hold on. I got to go on my email to show y'all. There it is. Okay, cool. Yeah. I was like, what? So you got to be legit. You got to, it's cool. I think it's fair. I think they should. Vivi, let's get verified. Y'all seen this? Yeah, I think y'all are seeing this. Yeah, cool. All right. By July 30th, at 12 p.m. Pacific time, only verified users will be able to access all VV features, including participating in drops and buying and selling in the market. So you're not going to be, you can't do anything. You got a KYC or you can't do anything at all. That's not a bad thing, in my opinion. I think they should do that. Now, what you're going to be required to have to do is take a selfie. Can't have your sunglasses on. Can't be looking like Game Bangers with his Hollywood glasses. Those are cool glasses. Photo of government ID. So you're going to have to show it. You're going to have to hold it in front of you. Proof of address. And I will tell you right now that whenever you take a photo, you have to even show your elbow. You have to show everything. They don't want someone where you can Photoshop, but they want to see you. So it's pretty legit. In my opinion, they need to do stuff like that. So we don't have some other people just going in and buying. What? No, I did not. I did not. Silver Surfer? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. All right, I got to go on the site, though. I got to go on VV. I hope it doesn't give me any problems. So what do you guys think about that technical analysis that guy did? Or do you guys think that Bitcoin's going to go up? And if it is going to go up, how long do you think it's going to go up? Because everything is psychological at this point right now. It's all a psychological number. People saw 23. They want to go to 24, 24. It's going to go to 25, in my opinion. And it may hike back down and then shoot back up until something else comes out. Another catalyst where people are like, oh, no, there is a recession. We got to be careful of that. Definitely got to be careful. All right, let's check it out. Silver Surfer. Got a screen share. I know. I remember today. Screen share. All right, here we go. I guess I'll accept the cookies. I guess. All right. Man, I wish my friend Valentine could come on. Alpha Male, you need to talk to my friend. He is like, he's been in, I think you guys like NFTs about the same. Hi, Space Chick. Nice program. Liked and shared to Twitter. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, share my lives. For some reason, it's not showing showing up for people when I go live. So if you just put that bell, don't forget to press like and subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel already. But yeah, let's check out this Silver Surfer. Alpha Male always has some great information. I did we were chilling in the space cabin for like 3 hours one night. You can scroll to any part of that stream and you will learn something. You will learn something from Alpha Male. He's the guy who, whenever I looked up the islands, the Metaverse islands for Vault Inu, like trying to explain to y'all what this possibly was, the islands Valtoshi was talking about, he's the guy who showed me that, just so you know. So you think we're going to hit 1,800, draw back to 16 for Ethereum. He's talking about Ethereum. Then blast off to 23 and 2,500. Oh, man, that'd be great. I hope so. All right, let's check out this Silver Surfer. You guys are liking the Silver Surfer. All right, so new releases. I love these Batmen. They are awesome. And then you get web comics too. Interactive, like there's so much stuff to NFTs, so many things. I was not a big NFT fan. I just wasn't, I didn't understand. Then I got into, I don't see the Silver Surfer. Then I got into AI NFTs and I was like, all right, this is cool. There's going to be a lot of rich people buying those. They're going to want those in their metaverse. And definitely get on this. Now, I learned from Alpha Male's Degen or Blockhead show that VV actually started back in 2017. I thought it was recent that they came about, but it is actually a while back. Didn't even know that we knew about NFTs back then. Like, I need to do more research. Like, what was going on with it? What did they know? Who was in charge of VV? I'm going to do some research. Y'all got a link for me for it? I'll show it. That would be helpful. If y'all can. But yeah, this is an app. You put it on your phone. Let me see. Yes, no videos on YouTube from him. Have you heard of anything from him? I haven't. I actually looked that guy up the other day. He's a good YouTuber and he hasn't been on. I hope the guy's okay. Like nothing has been on. You know how people, I just hope he's okay. That's so weird. You're talking about him. I was thinking about him too. All right. Boba Fett dropping and I will not miss that. All right. We can check that out. We'll check that out. Where's this Silver Surfer? I'm going to check this Silver Surfer and we're going to check out that token. Let's see. You can get it on Google Play. So these are the new releases. Let me see. Star Wars, Marvel Digital Comics. That's what we were looking at too. Something like that. Disneyland. Forget it. Game over, y'all. Disney's in this. Done. And what is this? Jurassic Park. That's not Disney. That's not Pixar. Is it Pixar? It's another big one. I can't remember what it is. Not Hollywood Studios. Collecting 2.0 digital collectibles. Dang. This is cool. They're a really cool site. Yeah, you really get me onto wanting to know more about NFTs for sure. All right, let's check out this token that our friend Alpha Male brought up. Economy? What you got for us? Is it this one? Let me go on back over here. Is it this one? Universal Studios. All right. Okay, so Economy token owns Vivi. So this token right here owns Vivi? No. Hold on, I got to be on the wrong one. There's no way. Migration to take place on the 27th. So they should have already done that. No. Oh, it is. Yeah, they created Vivi. Okay, so right now they're in between. They're doing a migration. On the watch list, we have over 164,000 watch lists. So y'all keep an eye out for this. Thank you. Yeah, it goes right there. It's an app-based marketplace. Y'all, look at this. You know what I'm saying? Like, user-friendly. Okay. All right. Cool. I like it. Thank you for sharing. Does anybody else have a token you want to look up? You can look them up. I like that. Thank you so much. I'm definitely going to be looking that up, keeping an eye out for this. Yeah, that's smart. So Economy is definitely connected to Vivi. It's a Singapore-based technology company in the NFT space, right? They're collectible NFTs. The company has created Vivi, a blockchain-based digital collectibles marketplace. So it's a whole marketplace. All right, now let's see what's in our Benzinga. Let's see. Do we have anything? Oh, I think I see something, y'all. Hold up. Here we go. What do we have in Benzinga? I think I see something we might like watching. Oh, yeah, that Immutable X, if I'm saying that correctly. Yeah, I was on their space last night. They're partnering with 2 other tokens, and I followed them. Y'all can go check them out. Man, yeah, I'll repost them. Anyway, really good projects they're partnering up with. Y'all got to definitely dip into that project. Really good. They're going to be like the face of gaming soon. All right, so this story right here. I have 4 children. That money was an investment into their futures. Voyager digital bankruptcy has financially destroyed families. All right. Now, I don't know how I feel about this because you're not supposed to invest anything that you can't afford. You know what I mean? Whether it be $1 million or not, you're not supposed to do that, right? That's smart investing, because if something happens to your wallet, you get hacked and it's all gone. Or your wallets, you do something, the price goes down. That's your whole, don't do that. Don't buy something just because it's cheap. And so do you feel sorry for these people that lost all this money? I feel sorry for the person. I feel sorry for that, but their action, I'm just like, wow. I'm sorry. I just don't know how I feel about that. But these people invested their kids' college fund money. They invested, they took out mortgages. I just can't. So these people that have lost a whole bunch of money, are they going to be able to get it back? Let's see. Man, Voyager. I never got into Voyager. I don't know. It didn't pique my interest. This one says, I have 4 children aged 16, 12, 11, and 8 years old currently. That money was an investment into their futures. I put over $350,000 into USDC because of the promises of safety and security from Voyager. I also put, oh my goodness, it just keeps going. I also put over 700, so over $1 million more. Okay, so 700,000 more into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Still over $1 million that are now, that's too much. In its bankruptcy filing, Voyager reported it has more than 110 million of cash and owned crypto assets on hand. It has about 1.3 billion of digital assets on its platform, 50% of which include claims against 3AC. Now, I'm sorry. I feel bad. I do, but you should have known better. All right, now this updated news right here, 2 minutes ago, the crypto market is soaring Thursday, led by Bitcoin and Ethereum after the Federal Reserve raised the target Fed funds rate by 0.75% Wednesday afternoon. So that's really cool. I mean, it's going up. People are happy. People are bullish. But is it a fake breakout here? Is it fake? I don't know. I think we're going to do okay. I think people are taking this news and running with it because everyone's tired of being down. So they're just going to take it and run with it. Now, if it's going to retrace Bitcoin, I do think it would go back to 21 or it can shoot up to 25 by tonight. Would be awesome if it would shoot up to 25. Whenever it was at 27, 28 or 27, I said, oh, it's going to go down to 2021. They were like, no, it's not. It's too low. So, yeah, it's trending. We are trending. Crypto is definitely in the news. Definitely in the news. So what's going on with this? What is up? Let's say hi to the chat. Let me see. Pyromatic. Yeah, so I heard about Pyro from another influencer. I think it was Jazz. I think it was him. I don't remember. Anyway, that there's a true burn. So there's burns that can happen where they are sent to a wallet, a dead wallet, and then you have other, like now you have a true burn where the supply really is burnt. Like it's not sent to a wallet, it's burnt. That's what I understand, and that's what Pyro is doing. So that's definitely something to get into. Wagme. I love Wagme. All right, so I hit up Wagme yesterday. I think it was yesterday or this morning, and I said, hey, I applied to sign up for your beta testing. Where's my email? So I saw Believes. He said for me to hit up Mr. Wagme, and I'm going to. I saw the message there, and and you guys are definitely going to hear about Wagme and what I think about it. If I think it's crap, if I think it's like a really crappy game, and I'm just like, all right, this is lame, I will tell you because I love gaming. I will tell you, but I think it's going to be good. All right, bye, Alpha Male. See you later. Definitely check out his show tonight, House of Clowns. He's giving away some House of Clowns NFTs. Go click on his, or in the pinned comments, I pinned his YouTube there, and definitely subscribe. We got to get them up to 1,000 subscribers. All right, so this is who we're going to look up, though. Do y'all know about this? This is where it's at in gaming right now. If you are a gamer, right? You're a gamer, you need to be keeping an eye out on this. Let me share it. Here we go. I mean, the metaverse has a ways to go, just like Ethereum does. I don't know if y'all were on my stream yesterday or the other day, but I was talking about how I went to a game festival, and the guy that I was talking to, he didn't know what Ethereum was, and I was like, man, we're almost there, not quite yet, but whenever that name or that word Ethereum gets out there in household names, we're gonna be good. Yeah, check this out. You need to be following this. Wagme now is working with, there's a lot of them working with them, but so Wagme right here. And look at that. I love the graphics. Y'all go sign up for this too. Look at this. T-minus 8 hours. So they're partnering with GameStop. Wagme is partnering with GameStop. Now, there for a while, I was worried about GameStop, thinking like, all right, we're going to see those shelves pretty dusty and the same old sports games in those bins. You know, that's what's going to end up happening to GameStop if they don't get with the program with the metaverse. Well, they're getting with the program. Wagme's involved to save the day. If I check out Wagme and sign up for their beta testing for their game, I think it's still open. I do. I think it's still open. Yeah. This YouTuber right here, she's really awesome. So, Wagme. Partnership with Immutable X, listing on the GameStop NFT marketplace. From what I heard, they're the first ones that are going to be listed on the GameStop NFT marketplace. Does that pique your interest? Tower defense game will be on a mobile device soon. That's another plus. These graphics are absolutely insane. I agree with her. The team literally never stops. They don't. I've heard that from a lot of different YouTubers. They're really on point. They're on their game. Look at that, though. So cool. But that's not what people are concerned about right now in gaming. They're just not. They're worried about what happened today. They're worried about Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I don't blame anybody. I don't blame anybody at all, but I absolutely love this. So I have to share that with y'all. Let me see what else is going on in the news. I'm going to actually check out a different source other than Benzinga right now. What is up? Elbow cough. All right. How are you doing? Vault. You want to talk about Vault, right? I already know a lot of people. Do you want to jump straight to it? You want to jump straight to it. All right, let's see. What was I showing you? What was I showing you now? You threw me off with that Vault because it is pretty exciting, right? It is exciting what's going on with Vault, with Chainlink, and that's what we were saying on the emoji roadmap, right? That emoji roadmap. Oh man, yeah, we're gonna have to look that up here in just a second. So y'all don't hear that dog barking out there. I'm really I was really thinking that y'all could hear that. It's so loud. Really bad for it. But I think it's okay because the guy's really nice. So 23,000, almost at 24 again. Ooh, 24-hour percent. It's up 5.67%. On the week, it's up 3.89%. Ethereum. All right, Ethereum up 9.05% in the last 24 hours and up over 11% on the week. Of course, Binance. What is Binance at? 275. Oh man, Binance. I remember whenever it was at 500. It was at last year, I think. Solana, we got them at 41.95. Cardano, 51 cents. Dogecoin up in the top 10. Dogecoin is untouchable for being a blue chip, that's for sure. All right. Did you guys have any issues with Uniswap the other day? I know I did. What I found most interesting was, I'm going to bring it up again in case y'all missed it yesterday. There was an issue with Uniswap, people being able to, do some trades, Uniswap even pulling up. But there were 6 wallets still trading, doing stuff on the Vault Inu side. So what I was thinking of, Pablo had brought up in one of his live streams that before Change comes out, they're going to be doing a beta testing, seeing if it works. So does Vaultoshi have his hands literally everywhere that he can stop Uniswap for a minute? Have the guys check it out and see what's going on. Crypto Chick might be in there too. We don't know. Ladybug. You don't know. It could be guys and girls doing it. But do you think that's what they were doing? You never know. You never know in the crypto world. I just thought that was very, very interesting. Very. There was only 6 for a while. It wasn't even all day. All right. So Cointelegraph. Yeah, bullish rate hike. We already know this. All right, 1.26 billion in Ethereum options expire on Friday. Whoa, and bulls are ready to push Ethereum price even higher. That was 41 minutes ago. So that's what Alpha Male was saying earlier in the chat. He thinks it's going to go to 23. I think it's definitely going to break 2,000 for sure. I think it might break it and be there by Saturday morning, depending on your time zone. Just sitting right there. All pretty. All right, what else? Bitcoin rallies after Fed interest. Yep, that was an hour ago. So you guys, y'all know what? We know what's going on with this stuff right here. It's pretty much the same thing. It's repetitive over and over and over. It's just the same story, split up different ways with different reporters. Now just consider your source and stay with your sources. All right. Vitalik says Ethereum says the merge isn't priced in yet. Oh, I was reading something about this yesterday. I'm going to have to do more on that tomorrow. All right, so Bitcoin, it shows, went and broke 24,000 right now. So the psychology of people, it's going to go up to 25. Definitely going up to 25. No doubt it's going up to 25. Give it a minute. Give it a few hours. Give it a minute. I would put money on it. I bet you guys do too. So Solana team set to open doors of a physical store in New York to promote Solana and Web3. Wow. So they're coming out with a phone, I believe, also. So that's really interesting. Look at that. Look at their store. They have some NFTs on the wall. I wonder what NFTs. You gotta look up those NFTs. There's so much in the crypto space. But look at that. They have like a legit store in New York. That's on their Twitter. All right, they're opening up their store in New York City to the public in a bid to promote the Solana blockchain and Web3 at large. The store dubbed Solana Spaces is located at a mall in Hudson Yards and was launched in collaboration with Solana Foundation, a nonprofit organization dedicated to the growth of the Solana network. All right. Somebody said the shop doesn't seem to be opened yet per various reports. The store has so far been open to preview visitors only. So yeah, 30 previews have been given on Wednesday. So not very many people were able to go in. You definitely needed an invitation for that. I don't blame them. Every Solana nerd would be parked right out there. You know it's true. Just sitting there. Every crypto guy and girl just sitting there. You know, open your store. I want to see. If I was in the area, I'd probably go. All right. Let me see. Crypto market stands like NASDAQ in the early 2000s. Here's why. That's by MarketWatch. Yeah, MarketWatch is another good one. Crypto scams must be reined in. Yeah, they talked about that the other day. They were talking about crypto hijacking. They were talking about just scaring people, really. I mean, telling the truth, but really putting it out there that there's a lot, and it's true, there's a lot of crypto scams. There is. But man, the way they really put it out there was something else. So it's definitely some adoption needing to take place, more education, just from besides these people talking about. We need to represent the crypto community very well in every one of our communities. Don't be a jerk. Don't be that guy. Don't be that girl. All right. Don't be that, Maxie. All right, so now it's been an hour of crypto news. So guess what? The next little bit of time that I'm going to be on here, I don't know, 30 minutes or so, we're going to talk about Vault. So if you're not interested in Vault Inu, I'm sorry, but that's what this is going to be about right now. So let's talk about that tweet that Vaultoshi put out about Chainlink. Or no, it was Vaulted Dragon Sailors Club. Say that 10 times fast. Yeah, so that's where we're going to go check this out. Apparently it's being powered by Chainlink. All right, let's go. Let's see. Let's see what's going on. First of all, hold up. I'm going to pull up that roadmap. Remember that roadmap that he put out? All right, Benzinga, you were fun. That was fun, right? Y'all definitely download that. It was a free trial that I have. I didn't even have to put anything in, like any billing info into that. All right, where's the emoji roadmap? Man, there's so many clues and stuff, y'all. It's somewhere. Well, anyway, it was Chainlink was on there, right? Chainlink was definitely one of them on there. And this person, Generational Wealth, keeps putting the burn rate Excel spreadsheet on. Super cool. Thanks so much for doing that. All right. Let's go here. At least, let's go here. All right. Well, Dragon Sailor Club. All right, here we go. Oh, man. Whenever we sell out of these NFTs, there's going to be a buyback and burn of $150,000. But if you think about it and do the math lesson, it's really going to equal out to 100 or 300,000 of a pump in the chart. Yeah, Jake is very bullish. I mean, how cool is that? Chainlink. Chainlink is legit. If you guys don't know about Chainlink, go do your research. I don't have a video out about Chainlink, but you know what? I might do one now just because so y'all can see. I actually thought that, it says Chainlink. I was thinking Digibyte was what we were going to be powered by for Voltisoft. Guess I was wrong. I think it just might end up being Chainlink, which is really awesome too. Secured by Chainlink. Legit. This isn't something small. Like, this is a big big deal. Chainlink is not going to just let anybody. I trained the dragon. I raised the dragon. I launched the dragon. I like that. Don't forget that Chinese rocket, that shuttle is coming out, or it's taking off. I think it's this weekend. It's going to be taking off into space. It's called the Long March. Now, I was thinking that something might happen between Friday and Saturday with Vault Inu. We'll see what's going on with that, but that's my prediction. I've made that prediction in the past videos that I feel like that might be when something's going to take off. Now, we're always hearing that something's going to happen by the end of the month, but I believe that too, but that's the reason why I believe that. Because in those, that artwork that Voltoshi put out. Now this, it's done. It's over. The whitelisting, because this was hours ago. If you didn't get, if you didn't apply for the second round, I'm sorry, my friends. It's over. Time is over. The deadline is up. And let's talk about this Bybit. All right, let's talk about this because I know there's a lot of people that are like, oh my goodness, we didn't get Bybit. Let me explain something to y'all. That was a competition for a free listing, right? It wasn't that we're not gonna get on there. It was just a competition. That's it. I know we're very competitive. I know we are, but it was just for a free listing. It doesn't mean we're not going to get on there. So if we lose that, that's not the end of the line for Vault EU at all. And if you think that, you're highly mistaken, my friend. Very, very highly mistaken. We have Vaulty Change coming out. We have celebrities and other partnerships coming out that are very exciting. Bybit is not the end of the line. There's many other exchanges. Bybit, Crypto.com and Binance being two of my favorites. So FTX is also a really big one, but Binance and Crypto.com, that's where it's at. That's whenever. All right, I'm going to close that out. Yeah, don't forget you have to KYC before you can buy on VV. Your deadline is the 30th. All right, so powered by Chainlink. Now, did Chainlink put anything on there? And we're listed. Again, we're going to continue vaulting regardless of what's going on with that. And think about it. Be happy for the Saitama Wolfpack. They need a win. They need a win, okay? Just be nice. They need it. We have a bunch of great energy. We have a lot going for us. They need it. If they win it, I'm happy for them. You know what I mean? The happier the investors are, the more they'll spread the love and probably dip into other projects too and check them out. But they're concerned about their project and helping their project. So we'll see. We shall see. Look at Sheepholder, always tweeting about us. I've been following Sheepholder. For them to tweet about us, that's a big deal. Like, we have people tweeting about us. Y'all do your research on them. They're really legit. The Fed making the market inflationary. Vaulty Change about to make the crypto deflationary. Probably nothing. Now, I know we're going to have some lives tonight. Probably on Pablo Crow's live. I'm sure we're going to have something there. But I'm going to go online later tonight, like probably around 11 Central Time. That's when I'm going to try to come online and just hang out. We're going to talk about different cryptos. If you see something during the day, let me know about it. Let me know, and we can talk about it. We're just going to hang out. Let me know about your community. Let me know about your token. Give me a follow on spacechick_1111. All right. I'm going to bring this up. You see what I'm saying? I was following Ian. I don't know what's going on. I even had to resubscribe to Believes Crypto this morning. That's wild. All right, so this is what I think, who I think we should get on our team. This is who I think. Joker is going to fight Ian in Vegas. Like, they're going to set it up. They like each other. They're going to set it up and they're going to have a fight. So I was thinking, I love this guy, Crypto Joker. He's amazing. He is such a great person. I was thinking, all right, he's in charge of PulseCon. Y'all know I like Hex. If you don't know what Hex is, check out my videos. I've done 2 of them. I go over everything that I can that I learned about Hex. But this dude right here, if Vault Inu, if we can get to PulseCon and be there, that's going to open up so many more doors. So Vaultoshi, Pablo, Power, anybody that is watching right now that can tell Vaultoshi, I'm going to hit him up myself. Can we go to PulseCon? Can we check it out? Can Vault Inu be at PulseCon? And can you hit this dude up? Because he's a really big voice in the crypto space, DeFi space. Like, dude is genius. So he's definitely an influencer. I feel like we should go raid, support. He supports other cryptocurrencies. He's not just a Hex maxi. So that's great. All right. Let me see what else is going on. I think that was it. Not it with Vault Inu, but I think that's what we needed to go over was that. But I wanted to bring out how we just keep getting listed on exchange after exchange. Everything is going like planned, like we've been doing. Don't let this hang you up in any way. It's just another day in the Vault Inu community and world. It was not a listing that if we don't win this, we're not going to get on. We will still get on Bybit. It was just a competition for a free listing. That's all it was. So if we don't win that, it's all right. We're still going to get on Bybit. No worries. All right, y'all. Tune in tonight. I'm just going to jump on, hit that bell. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe right now to my channel. I get on here every single day around this time to do a Space Cabin edition. Tomorrow, I'm going to have BTFA, Banana Task Force Ape. Yeah, those guys. I'm going to have them on. Limitless and Vernon Friends. Those dudes are cool. Vern is freaking hilarious. So go check out that tomorrow night. I actually already have it set up. So go press notify and press that bell. You don't want to miss it. I have a lot of questions for him. I'm not an investor in BTFA, but it really sounds like an interesting project. So I'm going to definitely check it out. I've seen some videos about it, but I'm definitely going to check that out. So y'all check it out tomorrow, but don't forget to tune in tonight whenever we just talk about crypto talk. All right. I love y'all. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.